Whether it's planned updates, new technology rollouts, or reacting to unexpected problems, today's IT professionals face constant changes to their wired and wireless networks. There's never enough time to get everything done. Engineers are overloaded and can't be everywhere at once. And technicians on the front lines may not have the tools or experience to use them to solve the issue, resulting in more escalated problems. Without access to the right information, deploying and maintaining Wi-Fi and wired network infrastructure can be daunting and costly. Introducing the Etherscope nXG, a portable network expert in the palm of your hand. This all-in-one handheld network tester enables network engineers and technicians to gain on-site network visibility. The Etherscope nXG's out-of-the-box auto test and automatic integrated discovery of Wi-Fi and wired networks with pass, fail, and warning assessments empowers your team to quickly verify, troubleshoot, and document Wi-Fi and Ethernet networks with minimal training. This versatile, rugged, yet lightweight tool is powerful enough for engineers and easy to use for field technicians. The all-in-one Etherscope nXG offers an advanced suite of powerful functions like wireless analysis, 10 gig line rate performance test and packet capture, network discovery, path analysis, cable power over Ethernet and switch testing, and it supports a variety of third-party Android apps for additional testing and configuration. Etherscope nXG offers full integration of wired and Wi-Fi test data in a single user interface, a view of your network you can't get anywhere else. That means no more switching between tools to solve problems on both sides of an access point. Other wireless tools can only identify devices by MAC address, and network management tools can't see Wi-Fi clients in the RF airspace, making it difficult to identify devices. But Etherscope nXG is the only tool to effectively break the Layer 2 ceiling, showing you know exactly who and what is on your network and where they're connected. Etherscope nXG also supports remote access, so engineers can collaborate more effectively with field technicians. And you can automatically upload test results to the Link Live cloud service, so engineers can remotely conduct an in-depth analysis of the network without having to travel. The bottom line, with Etherscope nXG, everyone gets more done faster. Contact NetAlly today to find out more about Etherscope nXG Portable Network Expert.